Alex Strauss is having her nose rebuilt. 2 years ago, she was injured in a car accident, but even after surgery, there's still a noticeable dent.
What we're going to do here is we're going to increase your bridge.
So she's going to have a non-surgical nose correction, where Dr. Oakley Smith injects a filler, a natural gel, to rebuild the missing tissue. 10 minutes later...
That's sweet.
Why?
It's straight, like it doesn't dip down anymore.
It's called non-surgical rhinoplasty. It's an increasingly popular procedure because even without surgery, there can be dramatic effects. This procedure can't make big noses smaller, and there's a small risk of infection or allergic reaction to the filler.
So I like it like right from here.
But it's the only nose job the patient can direct.
Here, what you see is what you get. So you can be very precise and predictable.
In Joanne's case, she just wants a nose that will hold up sunglasses.
I always wanted to have a more pronounced bridge, right? So he did that.
In some cases, it's all in the nose of the beholder. Avis Favreau, CTV News, Toronto.